Welcome to the new video for most expected current affairs questions for the upcoming various exams like NDA CDS for the month of June 2020. First question: who was appointed as the Attorney General for India on June 29th, 2020? The options are KK Venugopal, RC Mishra, Rajiv Maheshwari, Vipin Rawat. The correct option is A. On 29th June 2020, the President of India has reappointed Senior Advocate KK Venugopal as the Attorney General for India. His current tenure is extended to one more year. Question 2. Name the world's largest convalescent plasma therapy trial project which was launched on 29th June 2020 by the Maharashtra state government. The options are Plasma, Platina, Plasovid, Project Plasma. The correct option is B. The name of the project is Platina. The project was virtually launched by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray. A person who has recovered successfully from the COVID-19 infection can donate his or her plasma. Question 3. Which two countries' bilateral hydropower project is named as Kholongchu Hydro Energy? The options are India Nepal, India Bangladesh, India Bhutan, or India Myanmar. The correct option is C. A joint venture between Bhutan's Druk Green Power Corporation and India's Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited was formed on June 12, 2015. This joint venture was named as Kholongchu Hydro Power Limited. Question 4. According to UNICEF, in which of the following country there is a threat of hunger and malnutrition of 2.4 million children under the age of 5? The options are Somalia, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Yemen. The correct option is D. The United Nations Children's Fund UNICEF has stated that about 2.4 million children under the age of 5 are facing hunger and malnutrition. Question 5. Lazarus Chakwera was elected as the new president of this country. The options are Kenya, Malawi, Sudan, or Chad. The correct option is B. Lazarus Chakwera was elected as the new president of Malawi. Question 6. Which one of the following countries is not associated with the giant Ethiopian Renaissance Dam clash? Options are Ethiopia, Egypt, Sudan, and Yemen. The correct option is D. Ethiopia's water minister has stated that a consensus has been reached between the three countries, Ethiopia, Sudan, and Egypt, over the controversy of the giant Ethiopian Renaissance Dam clash. Question 7. What is the new name of NASA's headquarter building at Washington, D.C.? The options are Mary W. Jackson, Stephen E. Miller, Thomas Hams, or Pamela Miller. The correct option is A. NASA has named its headquarter building at Washington, D.C. after its first African American female engineer, Mary W. Jackson. Question 8. Which female Indian weightlifter will receive the Arjun Award for 2018? The options are Swati Singh, Poonam Yadav, K. Sanjita Chanu, Kavita Devi. The correct option is C. K. Sanjita Chanu will receive the Arjun Award for 2018. The two-time Commonwealth Games gold medalist was cleared of doping charges earlier this month by the International Weightlifting Federation IWF. Question 9. Recently in news, the Tonoshiro Island is a disputed matter between these two countries. The options are Indonesia, Malaysia, China, Japan, USA, Canada, India, Sri Lanka. The correct option is B. A group of islands without inhabitants located at the South China Sea has been a point of disagreement between Japan and China since 1972. The islands are located in the southern part of Japan. The entire area under which the Senkaku Islands are located is known by the name of Tonoshiro Islands. Question 10. Which international day was celebrated on 23rd June with the motto of Move, Learn and Discover? The options are International Olympic Day, International Women's Day, International Yoga Day, International Photography Day. The correct option is A. On 23rd June 1894, the International Olympic Committee was founded in Paris. The day 23rd June was chosen to be celebrated as International Olympic Day. Question 11. This year, there was no Ambubachi Mela for the first time in 6 centuries of records available from 1565. The Mela is associated with, the options are Tirupati Temple, Amarnath Temple, Kamakhya Temple or Jagannath Temple. The correct option is C. At the centuries old historic Kamakhya Temple at Guwahati, for the first time in 6 centuries, the 5-day Ambubachi Mela was not organized due to keeping in mind the possibility of spreading the coronavirus. Question 12. Which of the following country was not elected as a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council UNSC for a period of 2 years with India? The options are Norway, Indonesia, Ireland and Mexico. The correct option is B. After securing 184 out of total 192 votes on 17th June 2020, India became a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council UNSC for the period of 2 years along with Norway, Kenya, Ireland and Mexico. Question 13. The All India Football Federation recently recommended the former Indian captain I. M. Vijayan for the 4th highest civilian award in India, that is, the options are Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan or Padma Shri. The correct option is option D. The correct order of the awards are Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Question 14. Schizothorax sicucirumenis, a new species was discovered in Arunachal Pradesh. It is a kind of bird, snake, fish or insect. The correct option is C. A new fish species called Schizothorax sicucirumensis has been found in Arunachal Pradesh. The name of this species has been derived from the names of 2 rivers, Sirum and Siku. Question 15. On June 21, 2020, a solar eclipse was visible in many parts of India. What was the type of that eclipse called? Options are total eclipse, annular eclipse, hybrid eclipse or partial eclipse. The correct option is B. Annular eclipse. There are 4 types of solar eclipse. They are partial, total, hybrid or annular. In annular eclipse, the sun, moon and earth are in a straight line, and during this eclipse the sun appears as a bright ring. Question 16. The Bombay High Court recently sought report on environmental impact assessment of a National Geoheritage Monument from the National Environmental Engineering Research Institute NEERI and GSI Geological Survey of India. It is, the options are Lonar Lake, Chilika Lake, Pulicat Lake or Hussain Sagar Lake. The correct option is A. Experts believe that the Lonar Lake turned pink due to increased salinity in the water and also due to the presence of some algae. Question 17. The Ministry of Earth Science recently released its report Assessment of Climate Change over Indian Region. According to this report, the average surface temperature of India could increase up to dash temperature by the end of the year 2100. The options are 2.4 degrees Celsius, 3.4 degrees Celsius, 4.4 degrees Celsius or 5.4 degrees Celsius. The correct option is C. According to the report, the average surface temperature of India could increase up to 4.4 degrees Celsius by the end of year 2100 as compared to the temperature between 1976 and 2005. Question 18. What was the rank of India when the Institute of Management Development recently released the World Competitive Index? The options are 41st, 43rd, 45th, or 47th rank. The correct option is B. The Institute of Management Development recently released the World Competitive Index. India ranked 43rd in the ranking. Singapore secured the top position in the ranking. Denmark was second in position, followed by Switzerland, Netherlands, and Hong Kong. Question 19. Captain Arjun was recently in news. Which department is associated with it? The options are Railway Protection Force, Border Security Force, Central Industrial Security Force, or Delhi Police. The correct option is A. The Railway Protection Force recently launched a robot called Captain Arjun. Arjun stands for Always Be Responsible and Just Use to Be Nice. The robot will screen the passengers while they board the train. It will also keep a watch on anti-social elements. Question 20. When do we celebrate National Statistics Day? The options are June 11, June 18, June 29, or June 30. The correct option is C. 29th June is the birth anniversary of Professor P.C. Mahalanobis. National Statistics Day was celebrated first in the year 2007. The World Statistics Day, though, it is celebrated on October 20th every year. That is all in this video. If you find this video useful, then please like, share, and subscribe. Good luck for your upcoming exams.